Third motor to go on the T-Rex today.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, watch out with the Ferrari. You know, watch out with the Ferrari right here. You know? Alright, that's cool.
Watch out for my lift.
Alright, there we go. Got a couple gems in here. So where are we heading?
Machine shop. Machine shop.
All right.
First mission for Lil Foot. Lil Foot, you know what I'm saying?
New nickname for the T-Rex, Lil Foot?
That's the name for the T-Rex, Little Foot. If you get it, you get it. If you know, you know. If you don't, it's on Netflix. That's what we named the truck, Little Foot.
What you know about Little Foot?
Favorite cartoon back in the day.
Yeah, Lil Foot. Everybody's favorite. Everybody says that. Yesterday, after we were right here, and then she was like, we were thinking about names, and she was like, man, Little Foot. And we was like, damn, that's it, bro. And everybody just liked it. So Ash sent me the list of like vanity tags to get last night, and I start reading them out loud as I'm in the house, sitting in my room. And then Nicole goes, she was like, why'd you keep going? Just stop at Little Foot. That's it. She was like, you gotta use Little Foot. She's like, yo, everybody likes Little Foot. But Little Foot don't fit, so we gotta spell it Lil Foot.
Lil Foot?
Lil Foot. We got hooded a little bit.
What do y'all think about our Little Foot? Got the TRX all loaded up. Got 3 motors, a couple heads. Let's head over to position.
The Ram, the other one had that. There's no way, bro. This joint feels way bigger inside. Even up here, I got hell. You know, Pop's been in here.
That was the first thing. He
Already
cracked that
blowing
shit yesterday.
ciggies in this joint. Hey, son. T-Rex putting in work. Lil Foot. Look at the coolant all over the bed. Brand new truck.
Ugh. Oh no.
All the way down there.
Not on Little Foot.
Not on Little Foot.
So where we at exactly?
Precision. Our home machine shop. Do it once, do it right. They're the guys.
Got these 3 motors here. They're gonna get worked on, freshened up.
6.2. That was an LSA setup going turbo. 5.7 Hemi that's getting forged and built for Gen 2 300 that we have at the shop. That's getting full bolt on with potentially a blower, Pro Charger. It's all over here, all on the sides. We had to clean her out. Definitely the old Ram was just like, oh well.
It's okay.
Whatever.
So we're gonna load this stuff and then rinse it real quick, and that should be it. So we're back. So this thing is finally getting put back together. We are waiting for the bearing kit that goes inside the transmission. Rasa just did that. This thing is bolted up. Back in the seed 6 pretty soon. Keep this. It's actually the shifter what?
Shaft.
Shifter shaft, there we go. This is why I'm not a tech, but yeah, this is the shifter shaft that goes all the way, obviously, up here. So, yeah, inside the car. I've seen these transmissions, these setups a couple times, and I've actually never knew what that was, so. Birdo moment, you know? Good morning, YouTube. start off the C10. So today we're actually getting new signs. That's getting replaced.
Yo, you know we didn't peep on the TRX?
What?
I saw it the day I washed the bed. It's got steps under the bumper that flip down so you could step and get into the bed.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn, that's tough.
Because I saw this little thing sticking out and I thought it was like one of these that you could put your foot in.
Yeah, yeah,
and I
yeah.
literally put my foot on it, and what it did was actually flipped out and came out to like, it comes out to like right here. I was like, oh!
It's old stuff about to head to the dumpster.
Literally to the dumpster. I hate this sign.
These joints are fragile.
This John's like, this thing's probably been here longer than you've been alive, Berto. These new flags.
Yeah, you got the Maryland flag, USA flag, Germany flag.
The American flag's not that bad, but we just got all new ones, so it all looks
Better.
We'll put those two in the shop. That German flag is cooked. That John's gone.
Old sign going down. Hit this. Got the little LED lights in here. Make this thing shine, make it glow. What do y'all think about this? You already know, LS, LT, Mopar specialists. Performance builds, custom tuning, in-house dyno. Give us a call. Oh yeah, this old one's out.
I mean, we can cut this one up if you want real quick and we just go throw it away.
I feel like it's about to break, yeah. Is your joint loose?
No.
No.
I'm gonna have to cut this side.
What are you about to do, Boomer?
Not me, you.
You know how you could kill them all if you threw that can of brake
Oh,
cleaner
you
in
loading it up?
it explodes.
Hit one, put a can in it and
Put a
just...
can right there.
Ross just threw some brake cleaner in there. If you all can't see, it's like a million bees over there.
Oh no, that's a perfect right there, dude.
Just shoot it.
You want it?
No, shoot it.
Put off. Oh, it didn't penetrate.
Oh, maybe I hit it from the top.
Just keep shooting it.
We're reloading? One shot action, you know? Orange tip.
Go with that can, bro.
Alright, we went through the ones out there.
The brake cleaner can?
Yeah.
I hit the top of it, huh?
You dented it.
Yeah, well, I'm hitting the top.
Oh! New sign is up. Looks way better than that old one that we used to have. It has LEDs that run through the inside, glows up, so whenever it's nighttime, people will be able to read this. We also ended up adding a AFR gauge to this. These D5 4-stars are going to be on pretty soon.
But you can't really miss third and then miss fifth. It would go. It didn't even go into fifth.
Well, we got a replacement piece,
It's not
right?
like we got one out of the transmissions I blew up out my bed.
That joint had no fifth.
My bad. Hey, if I didn't do it, he would have did it. That was one hit. I literally did one hit.
You're not on the fifth gear.
So from like 0 to 10, how bad is this, Rasta?
You gotta open it and see what's going on in second gear.
So this is 5th, and then this little one is 2nd?
Nah, that's not fifth. This fifth, that's 6th.
This big one is 5th, and this lower one is 6th down here. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'll zoom in, but right there, it's kind of a little messed up. See it from this side? All these metal shavings right here.
My bad. I feel bad for breaking it, but I'm happy we broke it and not the customer, because that would have sucked.
This is why we do extensive testing after finishing our builds.
Alright, so we got the new blower installed. Old blower is off, old lid is off. This is a LSA Kong Performance ported blower. As you see, the snout has a bigger entrance, and this snout opening is definitely way smaller on the stock OEM blower compared to the ported blower that's on there. This is the throttle body. These are the old LSA rails. These are pretty good for maybe 650, 700 horsepower. I think anything after that, you should probably get some aftermarket stuff. Also has aftermarket fuel rails. They're actually Aeromotive. Got a cat can back there. So just off that blower, this car's gonna pick up a pretty good amount of horsepower. Stay tuned on our next video. This thing will be finished and completed. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe.